Cause I'm too messy, and then I'm too fucking clean.
Today's Sunday and I am getting ready for church. I'm doing like a no makeup look. Whether it's really hot, I don't think I can stand makeup this period. The skin is killing. Why? Fenty lip gloss. This is peach pout. There we have it. Let's get dressed. Considering wearing this little gown from JTB, like it's so freaking cute. Yeah, for a special day like Jesus Day, I should wear it. The dress is on. Oh guys, it's so freaking cute. Rich madam kind of vibe, you know what I mean? Wristwatch. I don't have like any silver bag, which means that I really should get this one. Is actually too small. I have one small Fendi, but it's more of like a clutch, but I don't think I want to do that. It does. Okay, I'll probably do this one just because I want to do silver. Ever since I got this bag, I have never worn it like with a handle. This is definitely the first. My silver Outlast shoe. I think they go, yes they do. Don't tell anyone. We're just gonna go in with one earring. I'm sorry, I can't just be bothered to wear the second one. This is a full look outfit from JTB. Love the frills on this one and the two-tone Ankara and the whole of this, and back Fendi, heels from Outlash, Skin by God, period. So I'm just gonna probably put like some lip glosses in my bag, put my smaller camera. This is why it's good to carry bags that you haven't carried in a while, because tell me what I'm seeing needs in my bag. So this is the perfume of the day, Amouad. Though I'm not such a huge fan of it. Rub it. Need to start heading to church now. We're just right on time. I just finished from church and church was so good. Preached about love because it's the season of Valentine. Valentine was like some days ago, and what did I even do that day? I don't think I really did anything that day. I took some very cute videos, guys. I brought my tripod stand with me to church. Okay, let me rephrase. I brought my tripod stand with me to the parking lot. I just realized that I want videos too of my church fit, not just at home, but you know, also in church, especially at the car park. We have like a very huge car park in my church, so I was like, let me just bring my tripod stand along, because tripod stand is stable, tripod stand is trusted. Okay, so I just put my phone there and I got like some very cute ass videos. Ooh, I love it. The agenda of the day is the usual, which is grocery shopping. We have lots of things to buy today. I want to spend like 100k on grocery shopping today. 100k, that's like very small in this recent economy. I just hope it buys everything that I want to buy, because it's not the month. It's not the month of the end. It's not the end of the month, so I cannot be spending like such a huge amount. 100k is my budget for today. We need to buy rice. My rice has finished. I had rice that almost lasted me for like a year, but it has finished. I don't want to buy a bag now. I'll probably buy month end or next month, so I'm just gonna buy one small bag of rice. I don't even know how much it is. I want to buy cooking oil, diapers, tissue paper. I want to make soup, I want to make stew. Do you guys think 100k is going to suffice? I don't know, but we'll see. After that, I'm gonna see my friend this evening. She just gave birth. It's a very cute bouncing baby girl, and she just got back from America, so I want to go see her, say hi, play with the kid, have like a bonding kind of moment. I miss her so much. We've got rice and stew cooking, so let me briefly show you guys what we got. We got cornflakes. This is the first time that I'm seeing this type of cornflakes, like big one like this in this sachet, 900 grams. I know the thing about refillable things, they're always more. Duker's Time, Peak Milk, Golden Moore, Lollipop, Quaker Oats, corned beef, Crown Pasta, Simply Spaghetti, Tasty Tom, although I could have sworn that it was Sonia tomatoes, half pack of Rose Bell tissue paper, Good Mama detergent, bar soap, bean bag, and a bag of rice. This particular rice, par excellence, I really do like it. This one costs 56,000 naira. Remember we had a budget, right? We had a budget of 100,000 naira, and everything cost 138,300 naira, which is like 38,300 naira above our budget. Although that was because I didn't expect this rice to be 56k, and most of the items did not have price tag written on it, so that's why I was just taking small items. I'm just gonna take everything away and go rest because your girl is tired while this food just keeps cooking. After much deliberation and procrastination, guess what? We're braiding today. I don't know why I'm excited. The lady was supposed to come around 12 o'clock. Because, you know, when I relaxed my hair yesterday, by the way, this is the situation of my hair. When I relaxed it yesterday, we booked an appointment for 12 o'clock in my house because I wanted to, like, be comfortable. And I think it's like 1:30, almost to 2. I'm like, where are you? And she was like, oh, we're making it in your house. And I'm like, girl, if you don't move your ass from there. Anywho's, I think she just arrived now, so my cleaner just showed her to where we're going to be making my hair. I've been ready since, I'm just waiting for her, so I'll probably just go meet her. This is what we're going to use. If you guys remember these tape pins that I used some months ago, it has like some little bit of glue left, but it's not going to stay if I use it again. So I'm just going to cut off the weft and then use it. It's not as long as I would have wanted, but it will do. At the same time, I don't think I want a long one because I'm not even going on vacation. I have like a couple of shoots to do, so if I do like the long ones, I think I'll be very hot because the heat is crazy. And this is it. So this is what we came up to. It's quite a lot in my opinion, but Treasure, my stylist, says let's see. But yeah, this is what the tip looks like. I think she's going to pick it, right? Yeah, she's going to pick it, and it should be full. Like I said, I don't really want something all over the place. I don't want it too full. We have like a little here, but I haven't touched it. Like, can you guys see? I've not opened this one.
I'm afraid of touching.
Yes, I've not opened this one. I feel like maybe in future I can just attach it to my hair and just do like a ponytail, since I just relaxed it. I didn't even have time to enjoy my relaxed hair because I have shoots. I'll probably just give her this one. Yes, I'll give you just this one. The rest, no, sorry. Manage it. So if it's not full, you guys will manage my hair like that, I beg. Let me just save this one, I beg. I need to go a long way, but no. My head might be big, but my hair is not plenty, like it's not full. into the material. I already have this attitude because what? My hair's done. Oh my goodness. Oh. You know when you go to the hair salon and you become hungry when you're making your hair, whether it's braids, whether it's cornrows, whether it's like fixing whatever it is, like you just become hungry somehow and then you have to like order something to eat. But like making it in the comfort of your home. First of all, my hairstylist said that she's not hungry and she doesn't know how to eat and work at the same time. That is when, excuse me, is when she's done working that she would eat. And I'm like, okay. The plan was for her to come around 12 o'clock. We'll probably finish making the hair around 6 o'clock and then I can make dinner. You know, it wasn't gonna be something so serious, but just like a nice dinner because I'll be feeling myself. But 7 o'clock we're still making this hair and I'm like, you know what, there's no way my ass is gonna pay me like for sitting making this hair and I still have to go into the kitchen. So I just said, babe, what's up, I can't cook this evening, can you just like grab noodles and suya? And he was like, I got you. So I love that name, always got to me. Anywho, so he got some chicken suya and some beef suya. This is why I love making things at home by myself, because the moment I just put the beef suya in my mouth, that was it. Like, you know, there's some parts that cannot digest no matter how much you chew. Unluckily for me, I chewed that. So I don't even know how people eat raw beef or like on the cooked beef with like sea blood and all those stuff. I don't know how people eat that, honestly. I like my beef well done. I like any of my protein well done. Like, I can, when I cook goat's meat, I cook it for like 3 hours. I don't care if I'm wasting gas or electricity. 3 hours. That's all 30 minutes. I'm cooking so that if I can eat it that salt, my kids can eat it too. You know what I mean? Bobby got some Indomie onions flavor. I always love the onions flavor. I don't know. He doesn't like this, but this time around he's not even argue. He does got it. I feel like the onions flavor is sweeter than the chicken flavor. Do you guys think so too? Let me know in the comment section which you prefer. Also, I'm not making a regular type of noodles. I'm making noodles with palm oil. Like, it is so good. I have been stuck on it for days now. I've eaten it twice this week. This is gonna be my 3rd time and final time. So now we're done making the noodles. 1 second, guys. 1 second. We're done making the noodles, and if you want these noodles to bang real good, just add scent leaf. Bless will make tea for you guys. They're telling me to round up. Okay, everybody freeze. Freeze. If I freeze while they're freezing, I can see you. It's so good. Yeah, you cannot freeze now. After 7 hours getting these braids done, you know your girl had to take a shower. We're all clean and in our natural element, and I just want to show you how this hair looks like at the end of the day. It is so light. Yeah, that is something that I really want to hint on. This hair is so light. I have a very tender scalp, so most of the time I don't really like braids, if I'm being very honest. Apart from the fact that I used to think that it doesn't fit me. Look at me now. That is so freaking light. It is so light. If I done like the fuller one, I feel like it will still be light. Now I see why some girls be carrying like the 30 inches, and I'm like, is that not dragging your head? No, it's not. This is proof. Although not the 30 inches, but this is 22 inches and it's so good. I love the way she took her time to like cut it into cute little boxes. This is the Zoe Gravity, if I'm pronouncing that name correctly, or I'm murdering it, I'm sorry, but this is like the Zoe Gravity's ZK hair. Actually, it's called Pick and Drop, and I remember it's being Pick and Drop right from when we were growing up. Okay, because of the hair salon years ago, it's Pick and Drop that was like the reigning hairstyle, and now people call it ZK. But it's cool. I don't know, I can't ask for too much. Like, it's giving everything it's supposed to give. And the good thing about this is that I can always reuse it. So all you just have to do is go to the salon, loosen it, keep it, and use it again. Anyways, your girl is off to bed looking pretty. And I'll see you in the morning.